In this day and age, it's rare for a business or practicing professional to be without some sort of software or program aiding them in their day-to-day tasks in some way. Software programs have tremendously eased the office workload, and they have cut business expenses tremendously. What previously would take several hours or days for a person to complete can now be done almost in an instant using new business application programs. One such business area that has been the bane for a good number of people is the overall responsibilities on the timesheet. In the traditional sense, the timesheet was designed and utilized for keeping records of the time and days that employees of a business came in to work. Each employee has their own time card and would record the start and end of their workday. The data from these time cards would then be collected and entered into a timesheet. A timesheet would then be used as a basis for creating the payroll, but not anymore. The timesheet was eventually used for other tasks, such as monitoring and recording hours spent on particular tasks, tracking employee performance, billing the clients, managing projects, project costing and estimation, and utilized as basis for business strategies. But before any of these timesheet functions can be carried out, the information must be collected first, and this meant manually recording all the data together. This can be a time-consuming task, especially for larger businesses or corporations that have a large number of employees. If you need the information on a timesheet and it hasn't been collected yet, you had to wait for quite some time first. This long processing period means that all tasks depending on the data that the timesheet contains will be set back as well. Reports can be delayed, billing the clients will be late, and making business or project decisions, which can make or break the whole operation, is going to be much more difficult because of this. As computers and IT technology become staples in the office environment, business software application rose in number, increasing the productivity and efficiency in various business aspects. The timesheet was one of the first areas to receive a digital makeover, and this resulted to the faster processing of the tasks that are commonly associated with it. Data were automatically recorded and stored, information reports were always ready at hand, and processes like payroll or client billing became faster. With the internet becoming a commonly used business application in itself, companies and career professionals now have a more convenient and cost-effective option with online timesheet programs. They can now access the data they need anywhere and anytime as long as they have an internet connection. And unlike locally installed software where licensing fees can be for each computer it's installed in, an online timesheet program can be used in any internet-capable device for a single monthly fee. And like time, business need to make cuts on expenditures in any way they possibly can to fully optimize their resources and maximum profits.